morning, everyone. Hi, hello. I'm vlogging today, as you can tell, but today is a very exciting day because I'm going to a wedding. I'm super excited, so I wanted to take you with me. It's actually one of my mom's friends, Paul and Mark. She knows Mark from work. And Mark has been engaged to Paul for a long time. So now they're finally getting married. It's gonna be definitely a event because they have gone all out for this wedding. And honestly, I'm just happy that I get to go because they're going to have like a full-on bar, food, I don't know, like a band, DJ or something. I don't know, it's just gonna be amazing. So I'm kind of getting ready. I've already done my hair. I just straightened it. I know I probably should have curled it or like waved it for a wedding, but like I did not want to. So I didn't. And this is what I'm gonna wear. I actually wore this dress on Easter last year, but I haven't worn it since, so I thought that I would do that. And then I have these shoes right down here, very, very pretty. And then I have been cleaning all day today. I feel like the apartment is a bit of a mess. So I've been cleaning like crazy, and like I vacuumed, I cleaned the baseboards because they were disgusting. Like who the fuck cleans their baseboards? Me. This is such a random thing, but I want to update you on the cotton candy Faygo situation from the last vlog when I did. If you haven't seen that last vlog, I'll have it linked right up here or up here, because I did a video testing drinks and snacks and stuff from all over the world from this website I found, and I said that cotton candy Faygo was not very good anymore, but like I still have this one. I didn't throw it away, and it has been in my fridge for days, and it is ice cold. Oh, when it's ice cold, it's so freaking good. I don't think it's very good anymore when it's like obviously lukewarm, definitely not that good, but like when it's like barely cold, it's not good either. But like, man, when it's this cold, oh, that's so good. I'm glad I kept this one. Also, a little update on the frame TV. I know that I told you the other day that I was gonna be getting the white bezel, and it just arrived. Look at that. I literally just put it on like literally 5 minutes ago. So this is what we look like right now. I do really like it, and it's just the same as the black bezel, except it's white. But it looks really nice. It was pretty easy to install. They do have like magnets on here, which makes it relatively easy. I had a couple of issues with these corners over here, but I was able to get it pretty flush, so that's nice. And I love the white. It just looks so much better, in my opinion. I'm about to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'll probably order something if I'm being totally honest, because I don't really have anything to make. So, oh. I'm at my parents' house now, and we have gotten ready almost. We're almost done, and I want to show you my outfit. I don't have my shoes on yet or anything, so I like my makeup today. I haven't worn this like heavy of makeup in a very long time, but I like it a lot. Here is my outfit. This is my dress. This is the same one that I wore for Easter last year, but I thought it was just so fitting for the occasion, so I'm wearing it again. Very cute. We made it to the wedding. Everything looks so nice. This is the video. Oh, yeah! It looks, we're actually in line waiting to get a cocktail right now, so. Yes.
I love that you're always smiling, even when no one's looking. Like when you're picking vegetables in the garden, or walking our dog Humphrey down the street. I love how you love your friends. I promise to care for your family. And your friend as well as you have. And I look forward to creating a life filled with love, fun, travel, and adventure together. I take you, Paul.
appetizers, and then the actual menu. Look at this. I'm so excited. But you guys, that ceremony was beautiful. And then I have a Jack and Coke that I got just a minute ago, and then I forgot that I had this champagne from earlier, so I've got drinks. Yeah.
I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have.
Oh my God. I just have to say this one quick note. 3 years ago, I had this premonition that I was gonna meet my future husband. I said to my colleague, Heather.
I love you.
In a lunchroom at the hospital. Everything, ooh, COVID. This is 3 years ago. And I said, I feel like I'm gonna meet my future husband at Pride Festival, of all places. And I met Paul 20 years ago, and we were dating other people, and we were friends and acquaintances, and we'd see each other and whatnot. And I knew he was good people, but I didn't know Paul was single, and I thought he still had a partner, and here I was newly single after a couple of years. And anyways, make a long story even longer. My wingman Todd said, after Paul and I talked for a bit, and Paul went back to his friends, he said, he leaned in, he goes, Paul's single. And I said, what? I'm single. He's like, I know. And he goes, Paul's blonde. I go, wow, I like blondes. He said, no, he's talked about this. And he said, he's built like a brick shit house. And I said, I like guys built like a brick shit house. He said, I know. He said, what are we still doing talking? Go get his number. And I said, hey, Paul. He goes, yes. I wasn't sure until later that he said he was hoping that we were talking about him. So, and we exchanged numbers, and literally the next day he texted me and said, hey, let's go on a date Wednesday night, or should I wait till you ask me? And I said, it's too late, let's do it. And I was overjoyed and happy, and I didn't know what to expect. And from the moment we sat down and had dinner, I knew there was something extraordinary about this connection. I just did not want the date to end, like I said in my vows. And it's been history ever since.
Have a good time. I don't want this shit to end. You don't want it to begin. Die on me one time, I just wanna see what happens. Don't ignore you, wanna know you, show you all the classics. Know I'm spoiled, but I saw you when I saw the talent. The first glance when I knew that I gotta have it, yeah. You were so left field with it. 80 proof, you gon' prove that you real with it. Used to moving real timid, letting loose the loose in it. Low key like a seal mission, choked up in a submission. You so fucked up, all hugs when the light switching. You the only one I get the cost. If you try running, got me snapping back at anybody with their eyes on it. Motherfucker, I run it, yeah. Why these nights so ironic? I'm not looking for a one night.
Hi, I'm back home as you can see, and I'm so tired. Come on. Okay. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. It was wonderful. It was such a good night, had an amazing time, and Paul and Mark both looked so handsome, and it was just a beautiful wedding. I loved every second of it. I'm so happy that I was able to go, but I'm definitely not gonna have a voice tomorrow because during, you know, like, they had a band, so like jumping and screaming along to the songs and everything, yeah, my voice is shot. I can feel it already. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the wedding. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part that I showed was, and feel free to subscribe if you have not already, and give this video a like, and be sure to follow me over on Instagram because I do post daily over there. And yeah, hope you enjoy. I'm tired. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye!